Hello and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are trying out a new variety of a recipe. I'm making hash browns. Now hash brown is a potato roti or a omelette you can call it, which is generally served with bread and eggs. Now the ingredients list is quite simple and is given in the description box below. Do check it out. If you like what you see, please subscribe, click the bell, like, share and comment. So let's move into the video. So the first step is to take 2 medium potatoes, wash them, peel them and then grate them like this. This has to be a little thick. So once you've grated it, I've washed it 2-3 times in water and then squeezed out all the water from the potatoes. And it's ready to be used. Now into this I'm going to add some garlic powder. You can add garlic powder or onion powder. This will give a nice flavor to the potato. If you don't have this, you can totally skip it. So I'm going to just rub in the garlic powder into the potatoes. So now the potato is ready. I've kept a cast iron pan on fire and I've heated some oil in it and I'm adding a blob of butter in it. Now try to use a cast iron pan because that will make the potatoes really delicious. So now I'm melting the butter in the pan. Once it's nicely melted, we'll add the potatoes in. I'm just going to drop it right into the pan. Now I'm going to just spread it out into an approximate round. So it looks like a roti or an omelette now. So just spread it out nicely and flatten it. So the heat is on medium. Now we'll let this potato cook nicely from one side. So you can see the ends have started browning lightly. Pour some more oil to help the potatoes cook nicely. Now I'm going to slowly flip this to the other side. Don't worry if it breaks because you can just put it back together by pressing it nicely. See, I'm going to just press it nicely and it will come back into shape. So one side is turned nice and golden brown. We'll just cook it from the other side as well. Now is the time to add salt and pepper. Now we'll let this cook further down. So you can see now the potatoes have cooked nicely into a golden brown color and it's time to be removed into a plate. So I'm going to just gently remove it from the pan into a plate. This looks almost like a roti. And that's the hash brown ready for you. Serve this hot with some bread and eggs as a breakfast option. I hope you'll try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll be back with a new recipe next time. Until then, bye bye.